Thank you, Sumeer, for handing me over the presentation. Hi, everyone. My name is Divya Kalra, and I will be talk about future of XAI or the explainable AI. Now, this is something which has come up recently because of a lot of, as you would know, a lot of regulations, a lot of ethical compliances around AI and around the power of AI. So I will talk about what is the future of explainable AI. I would be referring explainable AI as XAI, time in and time on. And I will first give a quick 2-3 minute introduction on what it is, and then move on to what does the future of XAI look like as of today. So I'm moving on to the next slide. Let me know once you see it. Okay, so let me ask you a question first. That how many times have you encountered a situation, or probably have we all encountered a situation in our work life where we've built the best of AI models, but the users have not accepted or adopted? Yeah, I think quite a many. So, indeed, as per a Gartner report, there are still 55% who have not adopted the AI. And one of the reasons could be that target users did not trust the AI system because they don't know how it's making decision. It's a complete black box for them. And this even is more proliferated where there are really high stakes involved. McKinsey, as back in 2020, found that improving the explainability of AI really leads to increase in the technology adoption. So now I'll come to the what. What is explainable AI? Explainable AI is a powerful tool. It helps us to answer the how and the why questions about AI systems, and it can also be used to address rising ethical and legal concerns around AI. Now, we do have many methods to understand the explainability of AI. For example, we have heat maps. So imagine a doctor has been advised by the AI on an X-ray that what are the problem areas of the X-ray. So around the X-ray, it'll be imagine an X-ray where I think I should have put a picture here, but all of you must have seen an X-ray. So imagine an X-ray where there are some dots. Uh, so that implies that this is on the basis of these, the AI has taken the decision on what is basically wrong with the X-ray. So that is one technique. The other technique is through what if tools. So basically, there's a graphic visualization. It's a front end. So I've put a small picture, if you would see below the what. So we have a that interface which talks about the relationship between two variables. The target users can just slice and dice those variables, look at what is the model performance, and this is the users, the end users. I'm not talking of the data scientists, and then see that what input attributes the greatest impact on model decisions. So again, we've covered the what and why, and now we do understand XAI for a bit. So let's really understand what is the future. Now, there are certain key trends that we are seeing. One is because of the regulatory and ethical compliance. For example, the GDPR proposed act of AI require explanations on all the models or whatever is going on, just to and pushing for more robust XAI solution. Then we have advancement in XAI techniques. So there are these techniques as LIME and SHAP. So the full form of LIME is local interpretable model agnostic explanation, and SHAP is shapely additive explanations. So they are also gaining popularity, and they are very user friendly. They can be embedded in the models very easily. And then the third is the integration with business process. Now, we know that business is using, most of the business is using AI to take day to day decisions. So it is becoming integral to business processes. And the key decision making is actually done by AI. So now this kind of transparency also helps build trust with stakeholders and customers. Now, the last is collaboration and standardization. As before beginning the session, I did mention that this topic has been, the research has been started recently. So there has to be a tight collaboration between academia, history, regulatory bodies to really, together they can work for development of standardized XAI frameworks and best practices. As I mentioned earlier, that there are some open source tools like What If tool by Google. Then we have IBM's AI explainability tool, and these are gaining tractions. So I think these four are key, and they are the basis trends what we are seeing in the movement or the emerging trends of explainable AI. So I strongly believe that as AI continues to evolve, XAI will become even more crucial and critical in maintaining the public trust and ensuring that AI is ethically driven, it's fair, accountable, and transparent. So, thank you, everyone. Thanks, Samir, for the opportunity. Over to you. Thank you.